never forget your first one. And there's a lot of you in here, right? But the first collectively, man, we didn't know coming into this season, there's a lot of new guys, right? We had some core foundation. But man, you find your new brothers, right? And you build from the ground up, and you've already developed through the core, which we did, man. We knew this wasn't going to be easy. You guys came in and earned it, and you've earned it all year. Give me the old guard up here right now. Come on, Deck. Decker. Come on, Deck. Come on, Germ. Tracy. The old guard. Hey, Tracy. Rome's. You're one of those guys. You're the old guard. Graham is here, came back like Listen, whenever you do something like what we just did, it's special. It don't matter, man. And it don't matter how many you win in a row. They're special. But I can tell you this, when you're part of an organization, and it's been 30 years since the championship, it's special, man. And these guys have been fucking dying for it and waiting for it, man. It's for you, baby. This first one's for you. The rest of you people. Well, man, enjoy, baby.
Hey, this has been a long time coming, and it feels good. And you know what? Now everybody fucking respects us, and everybody better fucking fear us. Let's go, Lions on 3, 1, 2, 3, Lions! Yeah.
We play next Sunday back here at home, guys. So look, we got the winner of Tampa and Philly, which is tomorrow. We'll be here at 3 o'clock back at Ford Field, because you guys fucking earned it. Dude, how electric was it out there? I'm telling you what, it doesn't get any better. It's everything you dream of and then more. All right, that's outstanding work. I got 2 game balls. All right, number one, listen, when you come in 3 years ago, like me and this guy did, and you had a vision and you start working together and you've got an idea how you want to build it and the type of players you're looking for and how you want to go top to bottom, offense, defense, special teams, and you're in fucking lockstep. You're in fucking lockstep. I'm telling you guys, it's a shitty business. It ain't always perfect, but we do a pretty good job. Right? But without this fucking guy right here, man, Brad Holmes.
I absolutely love every single person in this room, man. We were intentional on being about grit, all right, and earning it. I love everybody in here, man. We went through darkness and it shaped us. All right, it shaped us for this moment. I love y'all, man. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Okay, I'll just say it like this, all right? Hey, you're good enough for Detroit, Jay.
Appreciate you guys more than you fucking know. I promise you that. I love you guys so fucking much. This is just the beginning, boys. This is just the fucking beginning. We got 3 more of these next week at home, at our place, against whoever the fuck wants to come in here. Let's go. Win on 3, 1, 2, 3, win!
You guys are unbelievable, man. I'm telling you, we talked about it all year. This started a long time ago. You're built for this. You're built for this, man. And look what you guys did. You went out there, and it's another hot team that we knocked off. It's the next hot team that you knock off. You know how hard it is to win in this league in the playoffs? Do you understand what you're doing right now? What we're capable of? That's 2. All right, that's 2. We got 2 to go. With a bye in the middle. I'm unbelievably proud of everybody in here, man. Coaches, players, that's the way to mount up, man. That's a fucking difficult team to beat, man. All right, I got 1 game ball. Man, in the game, in play, Derek Barnes.
Hey, man, love y'all boys, man. From the support in the linebacker room, the coaches, staff, organization, offense, man. 3 years, man. It took me 3 years to get the first interception, but it means more because the people who believed in me. Yeah, you know, right. A lot of people didn't. The room. This ball, you know, I got to give it to the linebacker room because I said we was gonna bring one back, and God, we did.
One including resiliency and just ability to stay in the moment and be calm. Do you see any superpowers in your head coach?
Oh boy, yeah. I mean, again, I could probably go for a little while here, but obviously, I think the number one thing that I think about with him is his emotional intelligence, how well he can read the room and know people. And that's, you know, maybe characteristic number one of being a leader and why he is so good at that. But he knows when to push, when to pull, when to tell you he needs a little bit more from you, when to love you up. He's got such a great feel for all that, which is why he's so special.
All right, hey, listen, man, it's a great job now. It's a great job. All right, there's nothing easy about that. You come in this type of environment that we had, but I know this, you guys, here's what winners do. They win, and they go handle their business. It was the next challenge, and you guys stepped up and did exactly what you needed to do. It was back and forth, but man, you talk about all phases, complimenting each other and coming to life, we did that. Special teams, holy shit. That was some of the best play we've had in 3 years. We have been hardened by adversity. All right, we've been battle tested. To do what we've been able to do, man, you gotta have the right ownership. And I'm just telling you, it's the Ford family, but Sheila is the one who we deal with, man, on a day-to-day basis. And without her,
I'm not letting see you.
listen, yes. No, thank you.
No, thank you. You guys are the best, and we've just begun. I'm so proud of our whole team. I've been with it for how many years? Like 15, like 60 years. Yeah. And I have never been more proud of this.
Very good. Hey, listen, great job, man. Great job. We're hardened and ready to go, man. We're ready. All right, break it out.
Hey, you all saw that banner out there? We got more of those things to hang now. Let's go to work now.
Win on 3, 1, 2, 3. Win.